Okay, so we've got all the sanding we could do, as much as we could do with the machines and electric sanders and all that. So now what I come back and use is an Emory cloth. This is 120 grit. Believe it or not, this is used mainly in the automotive industry. They have little pneumatic sanders that these fit on. It works really well, that I think, that you can take and fold it and get into creases and everything. So we're going to work on that just a little bit to kind of show you how that works. So we'll just take and we'll find like this spot here, pull our Emory cloth into this. See this here? See, there's kind of a ridge there where the machine got it and messed it up a little bit. So we're going to come over the top of it first. I'm just going to go back and forth. See how that's smoothing that out, giving it the round shape that it originally had. We're going to get it down inside the little creases too to help it. Yep, looks really good now. Now we're going to work on this, getting this this hunter green paint out of here. We'll flip this over, get this inside here like this, pull this back and forth. See how it's taking that paint out? And we're just to work all these creases one at a time. Very, very time consuming, very labor intensive. Now, of course, in a perfect world, you'd be able to get all this out. More than likely, I'll have to come back in with like a little pick